Hey guys, this is BmxBikeNation here, and we have a bike check. And my name is Phil, and this is my bike. Alright guys, so we're having, I guess just DK grips here. Just DK grips. I guess they're a little worn down, but not too much. And then we have the stock Subrosa Tyro handlebars with a 7.75 inch rise and a 28-inch width. Alright, and then we have, right here we have a Trey Jones signature Shadow Solstice seat. And then right here we have a DK compression bolt, right? And then up here we have a, a Colt, I believe a Colt mind control stem. And then right here we have a United headset. It doesn't really matter. And then going down we have I believe just Subrosa forks, right? And then this tire, we have Duo Stunner white walls, I believe. And then the the whole wheel is a FBM front wheel. And then we just Obey sticker, Subrosa sticker, Dance Comp sticker, Sparky sticker, just then the regular sticker. And then right here we have the Animal pedals. They're a little worn down. Actually, I gotta get new pedals. We have the Eastern cranks. I like them, and I just installed a new bolt because the other one got messed up, I believe. It's nice though. Installed quite nicely. And then you see that chain. It's a half-track mechanic chain, I think. Right? And the tire is just some random tire that I traded with my friend. I didn't really trade. I still got to get my other Duo Center white wall tire from him. The rim, I believe it's a 7KA Odyssey rim, and it's laced with Primo spokes, 48 spokes, laced to a Demolition V2 cassette, I believe. Demolition V2 hub or whatever. And then 9-tooth. And then the sprocket is a Subrosa skeleton screw sprocket. It's pretty old. I think I might need a new one, but it doesn't really matter. It does quite nicely. Then my bottom bracket is a United. Where is it? Yep, here we go. United. United bottom bracket, whatever. You know what I mean. Yeah. So that's my bike jack, everyone. All right. Peace.